welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at LUTZ puzzle. This puzzle was designed by the amazing Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The LUTZ puzzle is made of many different types of wood such as mahogany, paduk, acacia and purple heart. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is quite tricky, since first of all you have to put all parts inside the tray, and second you have to remove them from the tray, but you can't leave the parts up. You have to remove them through this cutout on the bottom. That means that you can just slide parts out like this and remove them. So you have to figure out the correct way how to put parts inside so that you will be able to slide them out later. So for example, if I put parts like this, that is not the correct solution, since one of the parts is sticking out. The initial way how to put parts inside is not the correct solution either, since I can't move any of the parts and slide them down. So you have to figure out the correct one and then remove the parts from the frame. You might be wondering why this puzzle has its name. That's quite easy. If you put all parts on a desk, you will find that each piece looks like a letter, and if you read these letters, it says the name of the puzzle, LUTZ. So it's a great puzzle. It's a new look at packing puzzles. I don't remember a lot of other puzzles that have a similar idea where you have to put parts inside and then slide them out. And also this puzzle is made by Pelikan, that means it is made in the best quality possible. If you like the LUTZ puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.